Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very special video for you where we're checking out a smoked cheese dip.
Look at that beautiful dip.
But before we try it, let's show you how it's made.
You start by chopping up 16 ounces of Gouda cheese and adding it to a pan. Then you want to ground up 2 rolls of hot sausage, followed by adding in 2 pounds of Velveeta cheese. And then you want to add in 2 cans of Fire Roasted Ro-Tel. And then you can add in 1 can cream of chicken or cream of celery or mushroom, your personal preference. Add in the sausage. Then you mix it up real good. Next, you want to add a generous portion of your favorite seasoning or rub to the ingredients and mix up until it is distributed evenly. And your final step, place on the grill for 45 minutes.
And we're back. All right, Larry, are you ready to check this thing out? Because I can tell you right now that I am so pumped. Oh, you're gonna do a little sniff test,
Yeah,
are
a
you?
little sniff test. Oh, I'm ready. It smells amazing.
Ooh. Well, you already got the right chips for it. You got the scoops. Shout out to my boy Ryan for hooking it up on the smoked cheese dip. Larry, are you ready?
Yes.
Cheers.
Cheers.
You know, there's smoke in the name. In the very first bite, instantly, I taste smoke.
It's spicy. It's delicious.
There's a bite that grabs hold of you
Woo!
instantly. And you can taste all that sausage. It's nice and chunky, very meaty. It's just got a good, thick consistency about it. Oh, man. You know how in Philly, they do the cheese whiz on steak and cheese?
Mm-hmm.
Pour this on a steak and cheese.
Oh, my God.
Huh?
Oh, my God.
Where you at with that, Larry?
That'd be amazing.
How amazing would that be? This is so good right here. Oh. Larry, I know you're a lover of cheese. How does this stack up, brother? Tell me something about it.
It's so amazing. For one, there's Velveeta. Velveeta's the best cheese.
It is the best cheese. You can absolutely fight us below in the comments, but you will lose. Mark my words. And there's also Gouda in there. Are you not blown away? He is speechless.
This is a meal by itself.
I could instantly see you like pouring this on like a hamburger, pouring it on a cheesesteak. There's a lot of things you can do with this dip other than just dip it. We will be sure to put down in the description below the instructions on how you can replicate this.
You won't be able to replicate it perfectly, though.
No, you ain't gonna be able to hang with my man Ryan because he knows his stuff. But you have a chance to walk with greatness if you follow these directions to a T. Larry, what's your final thoughts on this thing?
This is probably the best dip I've ever had, and I'm not just exaggerating. It's just amazing. It's spicy, it's cheesy, it's thick. Oh, my God.
If we were still doing a 5-star rating scale, Larry, how would you rate this?
5. 5.
Pop! Yeah, quite simply, it's just so well made. I would encourage you all to check out the instructions below, see how you can make it, and then, you know, tag us on Instagram at The Edible Adventures on Instagram. Well, I don't know what else can be said here. This is incredible. That's going to do it for us here for this video. I want to thank you so much for checking it out. Hit the like button down below. Hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the bell so YouTube will actually tell you when we make new videos. TheEdibleAdventures.com for merch. The Edible Adventures on Instagram. And this right here is the end screen. A subscribe button right around here somewhere. A couple of videos in the corners. Check them out, and we'll catch you on another video. Thanks for watching. Larry's blown away.